quick tips on how to use a compass. So with your compass here, you need to put your pencil in through the slot, put the points together and make sure that the bottom of the pencil and the point of the compass are level, and tighten it up. Now your pencil will work perfectly well in your compass. It doesn't matter on the length of the pencil. Sometimes it's easier to use a short pencil if you have one, and the way to do that actually is to get someone just to saw a pencil in half, and then you've got two half pencils, which are ideal for putting in a compass. So the next important thing to do is to make sure when we use our compass that we are not squeezing these two legs together, because that will affect how the compass is drawn. If they squeeze together as you're doing it, you'll end up with a sort of weird oval shape. So there's two things you can do. You can either hold on to the leg, the pointy end, as you're drawing your circle, or you can hold the top as you draw your circle. Now, depending on how long your pencil is, that's sometimes easier than others. Okay? But don't hold both bits like this I've seen people do, or like this. Okay? Make sure you just hold one part. So, drawing your circle is fairly easy. Make sure that your point is firmly into your piece of paper and use a smooth arc as you go around. Make sure it's firmly implanted and lean it over, because then it glides round quite easily. If it's standing up, it tends to jut around. Okay? And it's very easy. If you've held on to one side, your circle should join up all the way around. If you're asked to draw a specific circle, maybe with a certain radius or a certain diameter, remember the diameter is all the way across, your radius is half the way. So if you're given the diameter, you just need to halve it to get the radius. So if I need a radius of 6 centimetres, with my ruler, I put my point on the 0 of my ruler, remember not at the end, on the 0, and I put my pencil on the 6. So I know that the radius of my circle will be 6 centimetres. Let me show you again. So now when I draw my circle, push my point in firmly, lean and smoothly go round. Okay, you can use either hand, doesn't matter, whatever is most comfortable. I have seen a lot of people scoot the paper around as well. It can work, but you might then lose your point in the middle, so just be careful if you do it that way. Now if I check my circle from the midpoint, I can see that the radius is exactly 6 centimetres and my diameter should be 12. There we go. So those are some tips on how to draw a circle with your compass.